The IXL Flex Diagnostic helps you understand what you know and what skills you can work on to reach your goals. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the diagnostic and how you can use it to make progress at your own pace. You may be asked to complete the diagnostic in class or at home. Grab a pencil and paper for scratch work and eliminate any distractions. Don't worry about answering every question correctly. This isn't a test. Just make sure to answer questions on your own. This way, your diagnostic levels reflect exactly what you know. Once you complete the diagnostic, you'll receive an action plan that you can use to better understand where your strengths are and where you can improve. You'll be able to decide which skills you want to focus on, and you can trust each skill to challenge you at just the right level. To start, sign in to your IXL account. If you've been assigned the diagnostic, you'll see a notification to step into the arena on your IXL dashboard, or click on the Assessment tab to enter the diagnostic arena. Here, you'll answer questions to show what you know. When you first enter the arena, you'll get to pick between two questions to answer. Select whichever one looks interesting to you and do your best to answer the question. We'll tell you right away if you answered it correctly, and you'll get a new problem to solve. To help you think through the questions, you can use the Scratchpad tool to write directly on the screen. Just be sure to choose the correct answer from the answer options and press Submit to clear your work and move on to the next question. Remember, this isn't a test, so it's okay if you answer some questions incorrectly. And if you come across a concept you've never learned before, you can click I don't know this yet to skip the question. As you answer questions, IXL works behind the scenes to figure out your knowledge levels, and will share those updates with you. You'll see notifications when you narrow down or determine a level, and when you've generated a new skill recommendation. If you have access to both math and language arts on IXL, the diagnostic will switch between questions for both subjects. But if you've been asked to focus on just one subject, you can do so by using the filter at the top right. Select the pyramid for math or the book for language arts. You can exit the diagnostic arena to view your stats at any time. If you see a number range, you still have more questions to complete. If you see a single number in each section, your levels are up to date. It usually takes about 45 minutes per subject to uncover your levels, but you don't have to do this all in one sitting. Once you have pinpointed your levels, you'll get personalized recommendations for skills that will help you grow from where you are and help you better understand topics you aren't as confident with. Choose one of these skills each day to work on and aim for a SMART score of 80. 80 indicates proficiency, which means that you have a firm understanding of the topic. One last thing. Remember to visit the diagnostic often. Answering just 10 to 15 questions in the diagnostic arena each week will keep your stats and recommendations up to date. That way, you'll always have the right skills to make progress and reach your learning goals. Have fun and happy learning.